Hi, this is Mark with L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a BILT Mustang pivot zero turn lawnmower. We're gonna sharpen the blades, check the deck, make sure it's level, tune up the engine, and get it all ready for the summertime mowing season. So hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up. Okay, I'm going to crawl there and take the blades off. And go ahead and sharpen the blades in. Okay, now we're going to sharpen the blades. It's a 54 inch, so it's a 3-blade system. Best way to check, make sure your blades ain't bent, is lay them all on top of each other. Make sure all the cutting edges are parallel with each other. So they got hit by a few rocks, but they're basically pretty good. Those look like brand new blades again. Pretty nice. Okay, we'll go get these put on and make sure everything on the deck is level. We'll go and put the blades on. inspect the wheels down here. Make sure the bearings are in good shape. Make sure there ain't no cracks in the deck or anything. Make sure the blades are all equal with each other. Okay, now we're gonna do the tire pressure at all the tires, make sure all the tires are the same. That'd be like one of the first things why it would be cutting level. So we'll get that done right away. Then we'll check for grease zerks. Some lawnmowers have a whole bunch and some don't hardly have any at all. So, it always says on the side of the tires how much air it's supposed to take. These here say 20. So. This one here is really low. There's a couple zerks on the front tires on the axles, so. And the back tires, they have a different, it says 12 pounds. Okay, I don't see no zerks on the quill, so we'll grease them two front axles real quick. Then we'll start on the motor. Okay, spotters. There's a zerk right there, I see. And there's one right there too. And Some zerks are kind of hiding on us here. It's good to always inspect everything, so. Okay. We'll go ahead and do the motor now. Okay, we're gonna drain the oil. Let's see what size air filter we need. Pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. And grab us a couple spark plugs and the fuel filter. Yeah, the oil's still draining a little bit, so let's go ahead and change some spark plugs. They're burning really good. That's a really good burning plug right there. Spark plug wire on it until it clicks. And we'll do the other side here. It's burning really good too. I always change the plugs once a year. Take good care of this stuff. The stuff will last a long, long time. That's my philosophy on it anyway. I change the oil and filter about every 30 hours or so. Okay, let's put our plug wire back on until it snaps in place. Throw that new air filter in there. If they're not that bad, you can just blow them up. But the one that was on this was beyond blowing it out. And I was like using pre-filters because it lasts so much longer. Okay, let me get this put in here. Make sure it goes down all the way and locks. Get that locked in place. Okay, I'm going to put the oil cap on. I'm going to take the oil filter off, put an oil filter on there. I got to put a new fuel filter on there yet. It should be on our way. And then we clean the threads off the oil cap that goes in there good. These are nice, they're at the bottom, so oil don't drip on top of the transmissions and stuff. You just put them on snug. Don't overly tighten them. Okay. Clean all the governor linkage off there, then get all that dust and grease off it so it works properly. Make sure that gets bound up. Okay. Loosen that oil filter. That sure made a mess on the engine plate down here. And make sure that plate where your oil filter screws onto, make sure that's all nice and clean. Make sure they're on there nice and snug. We'll grab some oil. They take between 1 3/4 and 2 quarts. What I do is I put 1 3/4 in, stir it up, let it circulate through the motor and oil filter, then I check it. Just don't overfill them. Don't put over 2 quarts in. It's a 25 horsepower cooler. So I put a fuel filter on there. And on all the filters, you should have an arrow for the flow of the fuel. Make sure you put it on right. A lot of debris in that thing. Put it back in its hook. Okay, I think we're about done. Let the battery charge up just a little bit more. I think we're good to go. Okay, well, we went over everything on this. Should be good to go. Let's see what it does here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I have other videos out there too. Anyways, have yourself a good afternoon. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.